I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Edge, open the browser, and click the ellipsis menu in the top right. Once done, choose Settings and confirm your profile and version so changes stick. Make sure you're not in a guest window, because sync and profile options matter. You're taking the first actionable step now. Access profiles and new tab/page sections immediately. This ensures the feed options you change apply to the right profile and won't revert when you sign back in or restart the browser. Now navigate to Settings, then Start, Home, and New Tabs. You need to edit the new tab page controls. You'll select Custom for layout, then pick Focused or Content off to eliminate feed content. This removes news cards and suggestions. If a toggle labeled Show Newsfeed or Microsoft Start appears, switch it off. That stops background fetching. Make sure to apply changes and test by opening a new tab. If you use policies or extensions, proceed to the next step to enforce the change across sessions. To finish, enforce the change. If you're on a managed device, ask your admin to apply group policy to disable Microsoft Start. For home users, disable any extensions that inject content and clear cache before restarting Edge. If the feed still appears, turn off sync for new tab settings or sign out and sign in again to refresh server-stored preferences. As a last resort, reset settings to defaults. This usually stops persistent feed reappearance. If problems continue, check for updates and retry the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.